Nahihinto ang away kapag walang nanunulsol. Kung ang bagay nagdidikit dahil sa pag-ihip at nagliliyab ang apoy kung maraming gatong, patuloy ang labo-labo kung maraming mapanggulo. Ang tsismis ay tulad ng masarap na pagkain. Masarap pakinggan, masarap namnamin. Ang matamis ngunit pakunwaring salita ay parang pintura ng mumurahing banga. Ang tunay na damdamin ng mapagpakunwari ay maitatago sa salitang mainam. Matamis pakinggan ngunit huwag paniwalaan sapagkat yun ay bunga ng kanyang pagkasuklam. Maaring ang galit niya ay maitago sa magandang paraan, ngunit nalalantad din sa mata ng lahat. Ang nag-umang ng bitag ay siya ring mahuhuli roon. Ang nagpagulong ng bato ang siyang tatamaan niyon. Ang taong sinungaling ay galit sa kapwa. Ang madayang salita ay nagpapahamak sa iba. Ito ang salita ng Diyos.
Radyo mo nationwide.
Ito ang DXKR 639 sa Coronadal. Basta balita at serbisyo publiko. Tatak RMN.
Oras tatak alas 6.
Tatak RMN.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Mga kaigsuunan,
Mayong adlaw, inyong mabati karon ang programa sa Tagum Cooperative nga naguluhan og Tagum Co-op ang tubag sa panginahanglan o giya sa kausuwagan. Ang maong programa nagtumong sa paghatag og mga kasayuran nga adunay kalabutan sa mga kalihokan ug proyekto sa kooperatiba ug naningkamot nga maghatag og higayon nga mouswag ang kinabuhi sa mga katawhan hilabi na sa mga miyembro niini ug sa mga umaabot pa nga magpamiyembro. Aniya karon ang mudumala sa maong programa.
Kung adunay paninahanglan, ang Tagum Co-op may tubag sa tanan, mag-atiman sa kaumaon ko. May Tagum Co-op nga kadangpan ko. May kahayag ang kaumaon ko, ang Tagum Co-op masaligan ko. May kalipay ang kinabuhi ko, may Tagum Co-op nga kadangpan ko. May Tagum Co-op nga kadangpan ko.
isang magandang umaga po para sa ating lahat. Welcome po dito sa ating programa. It's a Tagum Cooperative, tubag sa panginahanglan, giya sa kauswagan. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, July 26, 2026. Ayan, good morning. Isang magandang umaga po para sa ating lahat. Samahan niyo po kami sa loob ng isang oras na pagtatalakay sa isang napakagandang topic ngayon. All about insurance literacy program. Hatid sa atin ng Tagum Cooperative. Meron po tayo mga inimbitahan po na mga panauhin, mga experts pagdating sa usapin po na ito. But before we go dig deep with insurance, nais po natin batiin ang lahat ng mga members po ng Tagum Cooperative. Ayan po, isang magandang umaga. Good morning po. Lalong-lalo na sa ating mga members dyan sa Coronadal City. Nako, RMN Coronadal. Nakikinig po ba kayo lahat? Marahil ang iba po sa inyo ay nagprepare ng breakfast ngayon. Nagtitimpla ng mga kape. Nako, you turn the volume. Pakinggan, palakasin po ninyo ang mga radyo po ninyo nang marinig ng inyong mga kapitbahay. Opo, para mas malaman din nila kung ano yung karapat-dapat na dapat gawin. O karapat-dapat pa, meron pang dapat. So dapat talagang gawin, di ba? Nais po nating batiin ang ating chairperson of the board ng ating Tagum Cooperative, Director 𝗂𝗶𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗂𝗃. Kasama po ng ating vice chairperson, Director Monica L. Salido. Isang magandang umaga po, Sir Bong at Ma'am Muning. Kasali po ng ating mga member of the Board of Directors. Isang magandang umaga. Meron po sa kanila or lahat po sila nakikinig po yan. Manghangyo lang punta na i-share. So please do share sa lahat na ating mga Board of Directors. I-share na baka naman ipalabay lang sa inyong mga timeline sa Facebook. Ayan po. And of course sa ating mga committee officers, isang magandang umaga. Active listeners din po sila and active commenters dyan sa ating comment section sa ating live stream. At sa ating Tagum Cooperative Management, spearheaded by our Chief Executive Officer, Sir 𝗶-𝗴𝗶𝗵𝗂𝗺 Jr. Isang magandang umaga, Sir Jov. I hope you're doing great and you're doing well. You're doing healthy. Nako, lahat na lang, anything that can be associated with goodness and better. Nako, para po sa inyo yan, Sir Jov. At sa lahat po ng mga senior executives natin dyan, the pressure is on. Ang daming trabaho, no? But lahat po yan kinakaya po nila. Of course, with the help of our diligent na mga employees, walang sawang nagtatrabaho din. They're giving out all their efforts, all their skill sets para ma-deliver lang po yung excellent, outstanding service para sa ating mga members and would-be members. And that they deserve all the love. Okay, sending all loves para sa ating mga employees dyan ng Tagum Cooperative. Love. A major shout out para sa akong department, Communications and Education Department. Amo ang CED Manager, Ma'am 𝗚𝗂𝗶𝗵𝗄𝗏. Karon pa dyan ko naka-shout out, no? For many years now, this is my first time na naka-shout out dito sa akong departamento. Opo. Nababaan ra gyud. Ano man sila, perfect time. So this is the most opportune time. So shout out sa tanan, shout out sa lahat ng mga empleyado po ng ating cooperative. Ayan, happy listening po sa inyong lahat. And of course, live din po tayo sa ating official Facebook page. Sana naman sa mga bagong pasok dyan, i-share po ninyo yung ating live, opo, para mas marami pa po ang matulungan ng ating kooperatiba. Marami pa po ang makarinig ng ating balita. All about insurance literacy program. Nako, this is a very important topic that you need to know as members or would-be members. You can also post your greetings, questions down the comment section. If meron pa po tayong sapat na pagkakataon or panahon, babasahin po natin yan at bibigyan po natin ng kasagutan. Kasi meron naman tayong inimbitahan dito ng mga eksperto pagdating sa usapin na ito. So pag ampo lang yun mo, you pray that we still have time after our discussion. Atik lang. But if wala na po tayong panahon, then you can go and visit our nearest branches and satellite offices. Nako, we are Mindanao-wide. We currently have 34 branches, satellite offices, and sub-offices. Pwede kayong magtanong sa pinakamalapit na branches po sa inyo. You can also go and visit our official digital platforms, whether it's website, our official website, and our official Facebook page. Meron po tayong virtual service. So if you feel the comfort at your homes, naku, pwede po. Magpapatulong lang po kayo kay kuya, kay ate, baka si mama, si lolo, si lola, hindi masyadong techy sa ating mga technologies sa laptop. Nako, andyan po si ate at si kuya. Pwedeng magdamag. And this morning, we are so happy and delighted na makakasama po ang mga inimbitahan natin na guests. Kahit naman ay medyo busy po sila, nako, pinaunlakan po tayo ng panahon. Today is Sunday, right? It's family time. Kasi mahal nila tayo, mahal nila ang ating programa. Nandito po sila ngayon. Very early in the morning. Baka mamaya after our program magsisimba sila. This morning, makakasama po natin ang ating chairperson po ng ating ethics committee, our very own, Ma'am Geraldine D. Canlas. Ma'am Dean, isang magandang umaga at welcome po dito sa ating programa.
Thank you, Sir Ken, and a blessed Sunday morning to you, Sir Ken, and to our avid listeners of RMN Coronadal. I repeat, RMN Coronadal. So, isang blessed Sunday to all of us, to our members of Tagum Cooperative and would-be members of Tagum Cooperative. Samahan niyo kami sa isang oras na balitaktakan, maagang-maaga kaming gumising para sa araw na ito, no? Isang maligaya at masaganang araw, mga taga-Coop, no? Taga-Coop Cooperative, Tagum Cooperative. I am inviting you all to stay with us sa loob lamang ng isang oras na talakayan. I am sure na mas lalo pa ninyong maintindihan at mapalawak pa natin ang ating pananaw hinggil sa kahandaan, proteksyon at malasakit sa sarili, sa ating pamilya, sa ating kapwa at sa ating mga ari-arian. So stay tuned, relax and learn while sipping coffee, no, sa inyong mga comfort, no, area sa bawat bahay, no. So back to you, Sir Ken.
Ayan, thank you, Ma'am Dean. It's our pleasure na makasama po kayo. At meron po tayo ngayon, of course, productive session again with Ma'am Dean. Hindi lang po si Ma'am Dean yung makakasama natin ngayong umaga. Andito po ang ating marketing officer po sa ating Tagum Cooperative main branch. Let's welcome sa ating program, Sir Eugene T. Balili. Sir Eugene, isang magandang umaga at welcome po sa ating programa.
Hi Sir Ken, good morning po. Hi Ma'am Geraldine, good morning. A blessed Sunday po sa ating lahat. So, in this Sunday, so ang aga po, 6 a.m. in the morning, but we have a great news and great topic this morning po. So, stay tuned and be with us for the rest of 1 hour, and we will bring to you the insurance literacy for our topic this morning. And may the blessings of our Lord be upon us all.
Ayan, ako napaka-sweet naman ng message ni Sir. Parang natatakot tuloy ako mag-joke kasi may mga Lord. Well, anyway, thank you Sir Eugene for gracing our radio program this early. Napakaaga po nilang dumating sa ating station, sa ating radio booth. And that we extend our thanks to Ma'am Dean and Sir Eugene. And sa lahat ng mga nakaantabay din sa ating programa ngayon, sa ating live stream and via on air, I hope you will sustain our radio program session this morning for 1 hour. And sa mga nakikinig dyan sa ating live stream, please make sure na malike po ninyo, ma-share po ninyo yung ating live para mas marami pa po ang makarinig ng ating balita at marami pa po ang matulungan maging bahagi po ng ating Tagum Cooperative. Ayan po, we will be also giving out our text promo number. That's 0919-069-3382. Mamaya, mamimigay po tayo ng mga questions pertaining sa ating discussion. So make sure na meron po kayong mailista na mga importanteng detalye pagdating sa ating usapin all about insurance literacy program. And this time, I think we're all ready. Can I check energies? Ma'am Dean and Sir Eugene, ready na ba?
Ready na!
Nag-practice sila kanina kasi katunog Katunog. So, okay, let's do this. So, ready na tayo mag-uusap ngayon, Ma'am Dean at saka Sir Eugene.
Yes, sir.
Ready na.
Ayan. Pag-uusapan natin, insurance literacy program. For our first, bilang isang katanungan, kasi when we talk all about insurance, meron po yung tinatawag natin na risk. Tama po ba? Yes. Sir Eugene, can you share with us ano yung pwede mong ma-share? Anything that is associated with risk, because I believe yung risk papasok dyan yung insurance na tinatawag na tatalakayin natin in a few short while.
Yes, Sir Ken. So yung risk po na subject natin this afternoon, marami po yan. Daily natin yan na-encounter.
Okay.
Whether from our home to our office, yung risk po sir, nandyan po yan parati. So kailangan nating mag-cope doon sa risk or kailangan nating mag-minimize ng risk at iba pa. So yung risk, it is probability or threat of damage, injury, liability, loss, or other negative occurrence may be prevented.
Okay. So marami tayong risk. Ano yung mga risk natin, Ma'am Dean, na baka hindi natin na-observe, nini-neglect lang natin in a day, but it is called risk?
Risk. Yeah, thank you for that question, Sir Kent. No? In layman's term, ang risk ay panganib, peligro o risgo. Ito'y mga posibilidad o
ang lalim naman.
banta na nakakasira o makapagbigay ng pinsala sa tao, sa maari-arian. So there are two kinds of risk.
Okay.
This can be individual or through aggregate. Pag sinabi kasing individual, yun maaaring mangyari sa isang tao through illness,
sakit.
Yes, sakit, through aksidente, fire, or theft. And then, when we talk about aggregate, ito ay kabuuan, so maramihan. So, it could be done through natural disasters or health epidemics, gaya ng nangyari nakaraang taon, yung COVID, no? Yun, isa rin sa mga halimbawa ng health epidemic. So, and then environmental calamities, yun, palagi na nating ma-experience o marinig natin sa radio or TV or sa balita, yung sa lindol, bagyo at iba pa. Yun sir, ang talaga nag-exist talaga ang two kinds of risk.
As I evaluated it, Ma'am Dean, yung mga may risk tayo, individual and aggregate. And that being said, as I reflected, unforeseen. Hindi mo alam yon. That's when we call it risk. Kasi hindi mo alam.
Unpredictable.
Okay. Now, since it's unpredictable, ano yung mga pwede nating gawin, Sir Eugene? Kasi unpredictable, wala tayong pwedeng magawa. We can't prevent it. Even the natural disasters, hindi natin pwedeng pigilan yan. Because walang time frame dyan. Kailan dadating, kailan maglilindol. So ano yung pwede nating gawin, Sir Eugene?
Okay, Sir Ken. So since daily, we encounter this risk, whether it's individual or aggregate. So, hindi po ibig sabihin na wala na po tayong magagawa about doon.
Okay.
So, we have to adapt and mitigate. So, yung ibig sabihin ng adapt, we must cope and use strategies and mitigate to reduce vulnerability to risk. So, yun po, Sir Ken. But before we can do this, we must also know which hazard and risk we are exposed to. Pangalawa, we must do plans to reduce risk and to avoid harm from risk, and also we must take and put it into action.
Yes.
Okay. Hindi lang puro plano, dapat meron din po yung action.
Merong action. And na-mention kanina, I like the word mitigate. Mitigate risk kasi yan yung gusto natin ma-achieve. How do we mitigate, Ma'am Dean? How do we formally mitigate those identified risks, whether or it is individual or aggregate?
So Ken, when we talk about how to mitigate risk in in layman's term, ito ay paano natin mababawasan o malabanan ang panganib o sakuna. Yun. So, there are three ways. So, number one is risk avoidance.
So,
pwede natin maiwasan.
Iiwasan natin.
Iwasan natin.
Okay.
And then, risk acceptance. Paano natin ito tatanggapin upang mapagaan at hindi masyadong mabigat napasanin. And then, risk transfer. So, isa-isahin natin. When we talk about risk avoidance, paano natin maiwasan ang panganib? Yun nga, sabi kanina is unpredictable siya. Pero maaari nating maiwasan sa pamamagitan ng pagkakaroon ng sistema upang maiwasan ito. And then, yun nangyari na ang mga bagay-bagay na hindi talaga maiwasan na sakuna o panganib. So, kailangan natin magkaroon tayo ng risk acceptance. Paano natin ito tatanggapin? Paano natin siya nagawa ng paraan upang hindi mabigat siya sa kalooban at sa pamilya. Okay? And then, risk transfer, ito ang pinaka-importante. Paano natin mapalipat magkaroon tayo ng partner o magkaroon ba tayo ng isang organisasyon na makapagbigay ng financial na tulong o financial help, no? So, yun, kailangan natin, meron talaga tayong mga essential strategies for that.
Okay.
Second.
As I reflected to it, Ma'am Dean, parang it's a whole process how to mitigate. Paano natin susugpuin yung risk? Avoidance, acceptance, and risk transfer. It's a very important tool, yung risk transfer na associate kanina. Mamaya, malalaman natin kung ano nga ba yung risk transfer na tinatawag natin yan. Yung mga strategies, Sir Eugene, ano ba yung mga, since we identify now, what are the strategies or kung ano yung tinatawag na mitigation, how to mitigate the risk. In a very specific manner, ano yung mga mitigation strategies para ma-apply naman sa mga nakikinig ngayon in a very particular way?
Okay. So, meron tayong top 3 strategies po, Sir Ken, Ma'am Geraldine, kung paano po natin ma-mitigate yung risk na pinag-uusapan natin. So, una, yung savings. So, kailangan natin mag-ipon para in case meron po yung pinag-uusapan natin na risk, at least meron tayong mapupulot at makukuhang pera o yung savings natin. Yung pangalawa, it is to have a credit or borrowing po. So, whether it's on Tagum Cooperative, so apply loan na. And yung pangatlo po is to have insurance. Ito po yung importante po talaga sa panahon natin ngayon, to have an insurance.
So these are the strategies. In a particular way, ito yung mga strategies pag-iipon or you borrow money, or the very thing to do is the insurance. You gain or you purchase an insurance. Mamaya, we will tackle that one. But first, ano yung mangyayari, Ma'am Dean, when risk events happen? Ano yung mangyayari? What is the image look like?
Second, pag
unimaginable.
If unimaginable happen, no? So hindi mo talaga maiwasan. Maraming mga paraan, no? Una-una is use meager savings. When you talk about meager savings, it will be depleted.
Kasi gagamitin mo yun.
Yung maliit natin na ipon talagang
magagamit
at mauubos.
If
pag
you
hindi
don't have
tayo handa.
insurance.
Yes. Yung mga kagamitan natin, mga alahas, could be pawned or sell, no? At maprinda or mabinta ang mga ari-arian natin. And then, yun ang pinaka-worst. Magkaroon tayo ng, mag-borrow tayo o mangutang tayo para ma-finance yung mga pangangailangan. So, yun ang maaaring mga scenario. Actual scenario kung darating na hindi tayo handa.
Yes. Say for example, merong lindol and gumuho yung bahay nyo, tapos walang property insurance. So, the least you can do as a strategy is to borrow money or use your savings. Ayun po yung mangyayari talaga when you're not prepared for it.
At magbibinta.
Ibibenta mo yung mga alahas mo, yung mga jewelries mo. Ang sayang naman. Okay? So, to cut it short, dapat prepared ka. Now, ano yung mga... We will define now, Sir Eugene, kung ano nga ba yung insurance. In a formal definition, what is insurance? To gain risk protection strategies, merong insurance. Now, ano po ba yung insurance na tinatawag natin?
Okay. Since our topic this afternoon po is insurance literacy. So, insurance means uses the pooled risk mechanism, provides a guaranteed amount when insured risk occur. So, yun po yung ibig sabihin ng insurance, Sir Ken.
So, sa na-mention kanina ni Ma'am Dean, out of those strategy mo na manghihiram ka, you will borrow money, or isi-sell mo yung mga jewelries mo, mga properties mo, ito po yung solusyon, insurance. Meron po tayong mga insurance mamaya. Okay, so, Ano yung with these risk protection strategies, ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari? At bakit? But despite the need na merong ganyan na kakulangan sa mga Pinoy, bakit there were only few people na bumibili o nag-a-avail ng insurance products? What do you think, Sir Eugene?
Okay. So meron po mga misconception about insurance, Sir Ken.
Ayun.
So nandito na po yung mga misconception
Yes.
na
Ayun.
bakit ayaw nilang bumili or mag-avail ng
Mag-avail ng
insurance
insurance.
premium. So we have 7 misconceptions po na
Okay, ano po
naitala.
ba yun?
So yung una, yung insurance po daw or insurance provider is cannot be trusted. Yun daw po yung main reason, isa sa mga
Okay.
unang
May
rason.
trust issue. May
Siguro,
trust issue.
siguro may experience sila.
Oo.
Okay.
Ganun.
Okay.
And pangalawa po, meron pong insurance is only for the rich, so para lang po daw sa mga mayayaman at hindi daw po para sa mga low-income earners. And pangatlo, buying an insurance product attracts the risk you are trying to avoid. So,
Okay.
ito yung pong pangatlong rason kung bakit nila ayaw mag-avail ng insurance product. Pang-apat, insurance is only necessary when you borrow money or apply for a loan. So, isa rin po yan sa mga big misconception. Yung
Yes.
insurance is not only for those loan borrowers. It is for all na subject for risk. At panglima, insurance is unnecessary expense. So, gastos lang daw po yung
Dagdag gasto
insurance.
lang daw.
But in fact, having an insurance, it is a financial defense for
Yes.
us. Okay? And pang-anim, yung insurance providers only take your money. So, kinukuha lang daw po nila yung insurance premium pero di daw po nagbibigay kung ano man yung benefits na dapat na ibigay sa mga covered members. And lastly, low-income sectors does not have enough income to buy insurance. So, paningin nila, mahal daw po yung insurance premium. But, in Tagum Cooperative, it is very affordable, Sir Ken. Actually, pinakamababang premium, 15 pesos. Meron
Yes.
tayong patext 15.
Yes.
Ganun
We
po.
will correct this one, Sir Eugene, kasi meron yung mga misconception and we will associate now our undertaking dito sa Tagum Cooperative. Say for example, na-mention kanina ni Sir Eugene yung insurance providers cannot be trusted. For many years now, Tagum Cooperative has been around implementing its various business lines, one of which is the member benefits and ano ba yung tawag? Assistance.
Yeah,
O yan. Ayun po, matagal na po yung MBA and if yung trust lang yung concern natin, nako, parang 1,000% ata yung MBA meron. Credible. Very credible po yung MBA. And the next one, yung para sa mga rich lang daw or middle income sectors, I think we need to zap out now that definition coming from our low-income earner brackets. Kasi it's about high time that if we are in low-income brackets, at least our perspective in life, mayaman tayo. No? So, that being said, kailangan natin matutunan kung ano nga ba yung insurance. Hindi lang po para to sa mga middle class earner
well-off.
o mga well-off. Kasi dito sa Tagum Cooperative, as mentioned a while back, with 15 peso na pera. 15 peso ba yon?
Yes po, 15
meron,
pesos only.
Meron ka na, you can avail. You can safeguard your life dito sa ating MBA, sa ating Tagum Cooperative. So, that's a huge misconception pagdating sa insurance. And buying insurance product attracts the risk. This is a very conventional way of thinking back then. Because right now, Ma'am Dean, nako, dapat pa nga siguro sa elementary education, andito na yung education na to eh. Dapat meron na yan. Kasi this is the reality that we are bound to. Whether you like it or not, at the end of the tunnel is death. Okay? Ayun po talaga yung the reality that will really happen. So, much to say, we need to prepare ourselves for that matter. Next one, yung sabi na borrow money, apply for a loan. Nako, hindi po yan. How do you discuss this, Sir Eugene? Insurance is the only necessary when you borrow money, apply for a loan.
Okay. So yung ibig sabihin po nito, yung big misconception po, sabi po dito na only yung mga loan applicants lang daw po yung pwede mag-avail ng loan. Actually, meron naman po talagang insurance for the loan, but mas marami po yung mga insurance product for accident, life insurance, mga non-life, and even property insurance kagaya ng standard fire insurance or comprehensive car insurance. Mas marami po yung product na yun. And in fact, it is for those who are in need po talaga yung insurance.
Yes.
Dapat po sa mga low-income earners or para sa atin lahat, meron po talagang insurance.
And so it's very important that you are prepared. Now, meron ba tayong mga fundamental na mga principles, Sir Eugene?
So meron pong malaking kinalaman dito yung ownership of the said property. So kunyari meron kang sasakyan, ikaw lang po yung pwedeng mag-insured about sa sasakyan mo.
Yes.
Pero kung yung sasakyan is owned by your neighbor, so hindi po yun pwedeng i-cover. Kasi
pwede naman pag galante si sir or si ma'am.
Yes. Pero yung pera mapupunta po dun sa real owner talaga.
Yes.
So dapat meron tayong insurable interest. Okay? Pangatlo, it is indemnity. So it means insurance aims to restore you to the same financial position before the loss, not to give you a profit. Example, if you have car damage, if it is only 10,000 pesos, hindi pwedeng 20,000 pesos yung makuha mo. Kasi makaka-earn ka na ng income or magkakaroon ka na ng benefit doon.
Yes.
So, dapat, kung 10,000 lang yung damage, 10,000 din lang po yung
What is due is
makukuha.
due. Parang
Yes, sir,
ganon.
Ken.
Ano yung indemnity? Okay.
Pang-apat.
Pang-apat. Parang hinihingal na si Sir Eugene.
Kailangan ko na yata mag-jogging, Ma'am Geraldine.
Kaya mo yan, Sir Eugene.
So, pang-apat, yung contribution. Principle of contribution. So, if a person has multiple insurance policies covering the same risk, the insurer share the cost of the claim proportionately. So, for example ulit, sasakyan na naman. So kung meron kang isang sasakyan, tapos kumuha ka ng insurance ilagay lang insurance A, then kumuha ka rin ng another insurance from insurance B. So hindi pwedeng 1 million yung sasakyan mo tapos nagkaroon ng damage, magka-claim ka ng 200,000 or 1 million doon sa insurance B, tapos 1 million na naman doon sa insurance B. So magkakaroon ka na ulit ng 2 million. So parang meron ka ng benefit or extra doon sa...
Ginawa mo ng business.
Yes po. So, di dapat...
So, bawal yun.
Yes po,
Bawal
sir.
yun.
Kung gusto mong mag-claim sa both insurance, for example, total estimate ng pagpapaayos ng sasakyan is 500,000. So, doon sa insurance A, 250,000 pesos lang. Or doon sa insurance B, 250,000 pesos para 500,000 lahat.
Yes.
Or kung gusto mo, isang insurance lang, okay lang po
So, bawal yung overlapping.
bawal po yung double claim.
Sa contribution, fundamentals or principles of contribution.
Yes, Sir Ken.
Okay, we are down to the last two. Taba?
Opo, Sir
Yes,
Ken.
okay.
So, dito, yung subrogation na naman. So, itong subrogation, after paying a claim, the insurer has the right to recover the amount from the property responsible for the loss. So, yung best example dito is meron kang standard fire insurance.
Okay.
Tapos, nasunog yung bahay ninyo kasi merong kapitbahay na naglalaro ng mga mga apoy, naglalaro ng hindi po yung ibang ibig sabihin ng naglalaro ng apoy.
Double meaning yun.
Kunyari, meron pong nagsusunog sa katabi na sa tabi ng bahay ninyo, tapos pumunta po yung apoy doon sa bahay at nasunog. So, syempre, covered yun ni standard fire insurance.
Okay.
By the way, yung standard fire insurance, yung basic coverage nito is only fire and lightning. Pero pwede po kayong mag-add ng earthquake kasi uso po yung lindol ngayon.
Okay.
Meron din po yung mga flood coverage, kahit typhoon covered. Pwede pong i-add natin doon sa basic na insurance policy. So since si insurance, ibibigay niya yung damage or yung cost ng pagpapaayos ng bahay. So si insurance po ngayon, yung may yung allowed na pwedeng humabol doon sa nakasunog sa bahay ninyo.
Okay.
Okay, di po pwedeng mag-claim kayo ng insurance tapos sisingilin niyo po yung kapitbahay ninyo. So bahalan nyo na yun sa insurance provider. Si Claims na yung bahala doon sa insurance na yun.
Si Claims.
And lastly, itong proximate cause. So the insurer is liable only if the primary and direct cause of the loss is covered by the policy. So best example, if a fire caused damage, the claim is valid. But if the cause is something excluded, like intentional damage, yung arson po ba yung tawag doon, Ma'am Geraldine? So the claim may be denied. Okay. So yun po yung mga basic principle ng ating insurance.
Nako, grabe no, nakaka-alien talaga yung mga definition ng insurance. I remember back then, Ma'am Dean, kasi natanggap ako sa isang insurance provider in Davao. Tapos ganito talaga yung inaaral namin. Ang hirap. Yung mga definition ang hirap. Kaya,
very specific.
Yeah, it's a good thing na merong concrete example si Sir Eugene para mas maintindihan ng mga tagapanood natin. Now, given that fundamentals or mga examples, mga situation na na-mention kanina ni Sir Eugene, Ma'am Dean, why do you think we engage in insurance?
Okay, there are several reasons why we engage insurance. And for top of it are the 4 reasons. Of course, secure a loan, and then health and life of our members, and then assuring financial stability of the cooperative, and additional income. Those are the reasons why we engage in insurance.
And we want to go deep with that yung mga na-mention mo kanina, Ma'am Dean, kasi dito sa ating Tagum Cooperative, we are always constantly informing our members to patronize our products and services because we want to live our cooperative in a lifetime. Gusto natin ang apo nato sa kanang kinatumian sa to ang kumagko tiil. Appeal sila. Because yung feeling dito sa ating Tagum Cooperative, the ambience, napakaganda po. It's all for the better. Maurag yun akong maingon. It's all for the better. Now, we want that bettering lives na ginagawa natin to at least maabutan pa for the many generations to come. Kaya you patronize, you stabilize our cooperative by availing our products and services. And this is not to market our products and services because I believe we have the reasonable prices for that matter. As mentioned a while back, meron tayong insurance na 15 pesos lang. And I don't think that's too costly on your part as members or would-be members kasi 15 peso para ka lang bumiyahe lang sa syudad nyo. Gipliti rani mo na 15 peso.
wala nagay mo pa sa kayrong pedicab na 15.
Wala nang 15.
20 na ang minimum.
Kaya nga, so it's about high time that we recalibrate our thinking. No? To purchase, secure a insurance para sa ganyan. Kasi parang natutunog tayo na all for cooperative. Now, if you join Tagum Cooperative, you become a member. If you become a member, you become the owner of our Tagum Cooperative. So, lahat tayo, once we are a member, it's our responsibility to make our cooperative, Tagum Cooperative, thrive. So, purchase, avail our products and services. Yes, ayun po yun. Now, kanina na-mention natin, Sir Eugene, yung second business line ng Tagum Cooperative, it's member benefits and ano yun? Assistance. Parang nawawala ako dyan MBA na lang. MBA. Okay, can you formally define to us now, Sir Eugene, is a marketing officer for the information of everyone. Can you define formally ano ba yung member benefits and assistance?
Okay. So since si Tagum Cooperative, meron po tayong second business line na tinatawag na MBA.
Yung major business line natin, yung first business line natin is
SCG po.
Is savings and credit.
Okay. Yung pangalawa, ito po si member benefit and assistance. So sila po yung nag-cater ng ating mga insurance inquiries kung gusto po niyo ma-cover ng mga life, insurances, non-life insurances, sila po yung nagpa-facilitate noon. And even claims, si MBA din po. So, member benefit and assistance, since Tagum Cooperative started with savings and credit, but over time, we recognize the growing demand for insurance products. Okay? Then this led to the creation of its second business line, the member benefit and assistance. Yun po yung MBA. And originally, an advocacy to help members during tough times. MBA has grown into successful business that adds the cooperative's income, offering both life and non-life insurances. Even HMO, meron na po tayong ganyan. And MBA gives members peace of mind. So yun po yung main purpose talaga when we are having insurance, to have peace of mind.
Ang ganda, Sir Eugene, kasi na-mention mo kanina, it's a demand from our members.
Yes.
We recognize the demand from our members and nakikita po natin yon. Ito po yung the beauty of Tagum Cooperative. Kasi kanina we define Tagum Cooperative we put top priority with our members. This is the evidence. Ito po yung ebidensya. The history speaks itself. Na once we recognize concern, problem, we automatically address it. We don't just settle for savings and credit that we can benefit a huge profit from it, but we also want to transform lives to our members, para sa ating mga members, in a way na mapoprotektahan natin sila, their individuality, their life. Kaya meron tayong member benefit and assistance, where in fact meron din nga tayong mortuary benefit. That's also a separate benefit when you become a member of Tagum Cooperative. So again, Tagum Cooperative really put top priority para sa mga ikakabuti
ng mga miyembro.
Yes, ng ating mga members. So, join na. This is not to market. Gusto namin kasi na marami tayong matulungan. Nako, when we say na gusto naming maraming matulungan, we sincerely want it. Hindi yung market. We really want it. Kasi gusto natin na, nako, sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa Pilipinas, ang daming mga nangyayari. And of course, as human we want to enjoy a better quality of life. So, might as well you consider Tagum Cooperative joining, no? So, it will also become your financial partner if you venture into business, or you just plainly avail our benefits dito sa Tagum Cooperative. Now, speaking of insurance kanina, meron tayong mga products. Ano yung mga products, Sir Eugene, na ino-offer natin? Meron ba tayong categories nito para mas maintindihan in a general info?
Yes, Sir Ken. So, meron po tayong life insurances and non-life insurances. Yung life insurance is a financial product that provides a sum of money to your beneficiaries upon your death. So, kunyari, ako yung insured ng life insurance. So, in case umabot na yung panahon na kukunin na ako ni Lord, of course, hindi po ako yung kukuha ng pera.
Kung ako naman kukunin, hindi ako sasama.
So, sa beneficiary po yung makakatanggap ng amount. Opo, yun po yung life insurance. And yung non-life insurance products typically covers risks such as property insurance, kagaya ng nasabi ko kanina, yung standard fire insurance. Pangalawa is yung comprehensive car insurance po. And pangatlo, meron din po tayong motor vehicle insurance, kagaya ng CTPL or compulsory third-party liability, which is one of the major requirements kung gusto nating magpa-renew ng registration ng ating mga sasakyan. And meron din po tayong health insurance, medical and hospitalization expenses. So kunyari na admit tayo sa ating sa mga ospital, at least di po manggagaling yung pera sa ating personal pocket. Bali si insurance na po yung bahala sa atin. And then travel insurance, so kung gusto po nating maglakwat siya, mag-enjoy.
Mag-vacation.
But before
sa mga bata dyan.
It is also important na magkaroon tayo ng travel insurance. In case mayroong aksidente na mangyari, at least mayroon tayong travel insurance na mag-cover sa atin. And meron din po tayong liability insurance, legality liabilities for accident, professional mistakes, or product liability.
Isa lang yung pwede nating i-remember dyan. Mga hint word lang naman. Life insurance and non-life insurance. From the word itself, life. It's all about life. And non-life, yung mga hindi na life, non-life. Oh, ayun po yun. Marami po tayong mga products.
Like sa property.
Oh, yes, property.
Non-life.
Now, kanina na-mention natin kanina, Ma'am Dean at Sir Eugene, pagdating sa ating mga benefits, na-mention ko kanina, merong mortuary at 𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗲 program, meron din po tayo niyan. The moment you enter as a member dito sa ating Tagum Cooperative, meron automatically, it's a default benefit para sa inyo. Mortuary program at 𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗲 program. Ma'am Dean, my question, magkano ba yung premium natin dyan? Sa mortuary benefit na yan, mortuary program, at saka sa ating 𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗲 program.
So when we talk about mortuary program, ang premium natin ay very minimal lang talaga. 850 only. No?
Affordable.
Oh, affordable.
And we will clarify, Ma'am Dean at Sir Eugene, this is on top of our insurance products.
Yes.
Parang pag pumasok ka, naging member ka
you
ng
become
Tagum
a member.
Cooperative. Meron ka na agad nito, mortuary program, 𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗲 program. Go on, Ma'am Dean.
Okay, sa mortuary program ay automatic na no, may life insurance na worth to 100,000 pesos. And then it could be when accident happen, death, disablement and dismemberment, maka-avail yung member ng 100,000 din. And then may burial expense benefit na 5,000.
Okay.
Yun.
So merong life insurance 100,000 and accidental death or death due to accident. Ito ba yung term? Then disablement or dismemberment. That's 100,000. A total of 200,000 if ayun yung mangyayari.
Accident ang mangyayari.
Yes po. Then ngayon po, Ma'am Geraldine and Sir Ken, mayroon na pong update about sa cash burial benefit.
Okay.
From 5,000, 10,000 pesos na po ito.
Wow.
Mas lumaki na po.
Mas lumaki na.
Tumaas ng 5,000.
Yan ka-generous ang Tagum Cooperative.
Alam mo, Ma'am Dean, sasabihin ko na naman, we put top priority with our members. Kasi, it's a growing concern from the members. Kulang daw yung 5,000 eh.
Yes,
so,
sa mahal. Kasi ang mga bilihin ngayon tumataas din. Kaya dapat lang.
So, ayan, in-address ng ating Tagum Cooperative. Okay, so ayun po yung gusto natin. All for the better talaga yung ginagawa natin dito sa Tagum Cooperative. Imagine yung mortuary program na yan, a worth of 850 pesos. Covered ka na for a year. Benefits. Nako, yung 850 pesos siguro parang sa mga merong bisyo dyan, ininom nyo na lang yan. Whereas kung i-avail mo yan dito sa Tagum Cooperative, you're protected for a whole span of a year.
Yes.
365 days. Or kung meron pa leap year, kasali ba yung leap year?
Kasali.
Kasali pa rin.
Basta cover sa calendar.
Yeah. Diba?
Calendar days.
Hindi pa po nag-mature yung insurance.
So, ang ganda. So, that's for mortuary program. How about yung 𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗲 program, Ma'am Dean?
Okay, sa 𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗲 program, so with the amount of 635 only, you just imagine, Sir Ken, no? Ang premium natin ay 635 pesos only, and then covered na yung hospitalization insurance if inpatient is amounting to 5,000 pesos aggregate annually. So meaning to say, pag hindi maubos sa first hospitalization, so na amounting to 3,500 only, so pwede pa ma-avail if, no, quote unquote, God's forbids, no, so pwede pa ma-avail yung remaining na 1,500 to in total of 5,000 pesos annually. So hospitalization insurance features confinement within 24 hours or 1 day for accredited partners. So for more details on accredited partners, so punta lang tayo sa malapit na TC branch para alam natin yung mga accredited partners. And for branch as satellite offices with no accredited hospitals, the 𝗓𝗂𝗶 Health covered member can claim 100% utilization insurance based on one 𝗂𝗶 Health contracted rates. And then reimbursement of prescribed medicine within confinement period except yung take-home meds. So,
Okay.
alam naman natin yan, no? And then last one, optional to OFWs and medical frontliners. And
Kasi malayo.
kasi malayo at wala sa Pilipinas. And then, the other benefits, no, sa out of 635, you just imagine, ay, lalo na kami sa government, talagang may annual physical examination.
Yes.
So worth 400, no, and if no availment of the previous year, ma-avail namin yung like free x-ray and other an examination, health examination, and then free consultations of members and dependents, and then maternal healthcare benefits and eye check-up kasi meron tayong mga doctor na accredited.
Yes. So, punta lang sa ating mga branches kung ano yung mga accredited partners natin para malaman po ninyo. Marami po. Okay. Yan po yung mortuary benefit natin, ha. 𝗶𝗂𝗵𝗿 program, yung 2 benefits natin na maa-avail once we become a member of Tagum Cooperative. Again, for mortuary program, our premium for that is 850 pesos. And our 𝗶𝗂𝗵𝗿 program or HPP, that's around 635 pesos. Hindi pa nga aabot ng 2,000 eh. 'Di ba? Protected ka na. Marami ng protection plan para sa iyo. Hindi lang para sa iyo, kundi para sa pamilya mo.
Yes.
Napuntahan naman natin ngayon, Sir Eugene, very briefly, kung ano yung mga products pagdating sa ating mga insurance. Kung ano lang yung pwede natin parang mostly availed na mga insurance products, or kung meron pa tayong oras, ratsadahin na lang natin lahat.
Sige
Meron
po, sir.
tayong
Okay.
4 na importante. So,
Okay.
go Sir Eugene.
Okay po. Si yung kanina is mortuary and 𝗶𝗂𝗃, balik compulsory insurance po yun once naging member
Ayun.
tayo ni Tagum Cooperative. But aside po dun, marami pa po tayong mga life and non-life insurances.
Na pwedeng pagpipilian.
Yes po, pwede po kayo mag-avail nun. So una, meron po tayong si LPP or Co-op Loan Protection Plan. So kung ito pong insurance na ito, yung kina-cover nito is yung loan ng ating membro.
Yeah.
So hindi po yung membro, ha. So yung loan ng ating member. So ito po yung isa sa kinaganda ni Tagum Cooperative.
Okay.
Once meron kayong loan, covered po yun ng ating Co-op Loan Protection Plan. Okay. Next insurance product po, ito po yung Standard Fire Insurance. Bali yung Standard Fire Insurance, ang kina-cover po nito is yung bahay or any building po na owned by private or any government or group. So kung yung basic coverage po nito is only fire and lightning. So take note, yung fire dapat hostile fire po siya.
Ano yung hostile?
Ibig sabihin po, yung di-controlled, di sinasadya.
Okay.
So yung bali, nangyari po itong
Hindi ko sinasadya.
Di po dapat na mga personal na Then, itong standard fire, kung gusto po ninyong ma-cover yung bahay ninyo or any building ng lindol, pwede po natin yung i-add. Yun po yung tinatawag na allied perils. So,
parang may rider siya dito.
Yes po, sir.
Yung standard fire insurance, merong rider dyan na tinatawag for the earthquake.
Typhoon, ano pa ba yung mga other natural calamities na pwedeng mangyari? Pwede flood. Even po yung kunyari, merong sunog, tapos ninakawan pa yung bahay ninyo. Meron din po yung mga ganong additional coverage for our standard fire insurance. Kaya po marami po nag-a-avail ng standard fire insurance kay Tagum Cooperative.
Magkano ba to, sir?
Yung premium po nito, sir, depende po yan sa
assessment.
Meron mga brackets nito.
Yes po, sir. So magdedepende po yung premium sa value ng ating bahay.
Nako, pupunta talaga kayo sa ating branches.
So mag-inquire lang kayo kay Tagum Cooperative, any nearest branch, or even online, pwede po kayo mag-inquire. And pangatlo, meron tayong tinatawag na Comprehensive Motor Vehicle Insurance. So ito po yung tinatawag na CTPL or Compulsory Third Party Comprehensive Motor Vehicle Insurance pala ito. So ito yung Comprehensive Car Insurance, kina-cover po yan yung self-damage. Kunyari, ikaw yung owner ng sasakyan, tapos ikaw din yung nakasagi ng sasakyan mo, covered po yan. So yung tinatawag na own damage and including theft. So kunyari, iniwan mo yung sasakyan mo sa tabi, tapos pagbalik mo, wala na. So covered po yan ng theft. Okay. Next is, meron din po yung acts of God or acts of nature, yung additional coverage ng comprehensive motor
Okay.
vehicle. So kunyari mabahaan yung
nalunod yung sasakyan.
Nalunod dahil sa baha.
Naanod,
Yes po,
ganyan.
ma'am.
Okay.
So covered din yan ng acts of God. Meron din po yung tinatawag na bodily injury and property damage. Yung bodily injury, for example, nagmamaneho ako ng sasakyan tapos nasagasaan ko yung isang tao na tumatawid, covered po yan. Maximum of 50% ng value ng sasakyan. For example, 1 million yung value. Maximum coverage na pwede nating ibigay is 500,000 for bodily injury.
Okay.
Okay? Then meron din po tayong tinatawag na property damage kasi in reality, di naman lahat tao yung nababanggaan natin. Meron din yung mga aso, kahit yung kalabaw,
Yung pader. Yung
po.
gate.
Ganon. Property din po yun. So, pwede po siyang makover dito sa Comprehensive Motor Vehicle Insurance.
So malaki pala yung sakop nito, Ma'am Din.
Yes po, Sir Ken. And then, pati po yung sakay ng ating sasakyan in case meron pong aksidente na maganap, at least covered din po yung driver, pwede din pong isali yung mga lahat ng pasahero.
Kaya pala tinatawag na comprehensive.
Kasi
comprehensive
cover po
nga.
lahat. Cover po lahat.
Sakop na lahat.
Comprehensive.
Then ito po yung pangalawang vehicle insurance natin, yung tinatawag na CTPL. As I mentioned earlier, itong CTPL or Compulsory Third Party Liability, isa po ito sa mga major requirements kung magre-renew tayo ng registration ng ating sasakyan. So, yung main coverage is yung mababanggaan natin in case merong aksidente.
Okay.
So, yung coverage nito ngayon is 200,000 pesos.
Okay.
Then, pwede po nating isali yung driver mismo or yung sakay ng sasakyan. Yun po yung comprehensive third-party liability. At marami pa pong iba na mga insurance po, whether life and non-life insurances.
Yes. Ang dami, no? Ang enjoy pakinggan. Ang dami.
So, mananawagan tayo sa mga miyembro and would-be members na puntahan ninyo ang nearest Tagum Cooperative branch para talaga mabigyan kayo ng full details on this, no?
Yes, that's very true. And again, sa Tagum Cooperative, we always put priorities for our members. So, lahat ng mga concerns po ninyo, lahat ng mga problema po na na-encounter ninyo, if we see solution, we always see solution. Kung ano ba yung balance lang sa lahat. One that would benefit lahat ng ating mga members and maging sa ating mga management dyan sa ating Tagum Cooperative. We always look for the greater good para sa ating Tagum Cooperative. Okay? Ayan, tapos na po yung ating I wish we have an ample time, more time para pag-usapan, Ma'am Din and Sir Eugene, my courtesy, my gratitude and thanks. Ang saya ng ating pinag-uusapan ngayon.
Ating talakayan.
Yes, a very harmonious, healthy, productive discussion pertaining sa ating topic all about literacy, insurance literacy program. I hope sa lahat ng mga nanunood, sa mga nakikinig, kahit naman meron kayong napulot na mga aral and hindi lang na-gain ninyo, implicitly absorbed all the points na nagawa natin or na-share natin, na-discuss natin, but you are able to apply it, no? Apply it para matagamtaman mo in a very real way sa iyong sarili po, experience ninyo kung ano ba yung having an insurance or preparation para sa buhay po ninyo or sa mga bagay po ninyo that you see valuable sa inyong pamilya. And of course, para din sa ating mga would-be members, I hope na-inspire po kayo na sumali sa ating Tagum Cooperative. Yes. Ayun po, we are now, I don't know if I got it correctly, 200,000 and more than 200,000 members ng ating Tagum Cooperative. So be part of us para mas marami tayong magsama-sama, para mas marami tayong power, mas marami tayong tinig, boses para sa ating komunidad. Nako, marami din tayong mga Ma'am Din, undertaking na ginagawa. Because
Yes.
you're not only a member, once you're a member here, automatically, lahat ng mga ginagawa natin sa kooperatiba, you also become a contributor.
Yes.
Just recently, we donated Build a Classroom projects. Meron tayong mga classroom and that we brag that, we take that full pride. I'm a member of Tagum Cooperative and I donated that classroom, 'di ba? You're not also a member, but you are transforming lives saan man lupalop ng Mindanao because we're operating in a Mindanao-wide setting, 'di ba? So at least you feel proud na merong ganitong ginagawa ang ating kooperatiba. Ayun po, but so much for that. Sa susunod na mga programa natin, tatalakayin po natin yan. But we will have our tax promo question kasi medyo napasarap po yung discussion natin with Ma'am Dean and Sir Eugene. Okay, so here's the exciting part, our question. Nako, napakadali. Our question kanina natakal ni Ma'am. Ano yung tatlong mitigating risks? How to mitigate risks na sinabi ni Ma'am Dean kanina. Tatlo po yun. So, ayun po yung question natin. What are the three things to mitigate risks? Okay. So, i-type lamang po ang inyong tamang kasagutan sa ating number na 0919-069-3382 kasama po ng inyong pangalan at lugar. Ayan po. And at this time, mga parting words naman, mga final messages ng ating mga panauhin, mga bisita. Again, I'd like to express my gratitude. Ma'am Dean, thank you so much. And Sir Eugene for gracing our radio program. Sa susunod na naman ng mga programa, I hope you're still there for a very productive session, I would say, Sir Eugene. Let's start now with our one and only chairperson sa Ethics Committee, Ma'am Geraldine B. Canlas. Ma'am Dean, take it away.
Again, Sir Ken, thank you so much. Isang malaking karangalan, no, na maging bahagi ng isang makabuluhang talakayan, lalong-lalo na sa insurance literacy program. Isa kasi ito sa essential ito kasi hindi ito pwede ibaliwala. Sana lahat ng mga Pilipino, lahat ng Tagumeños, lahat ng mga tao sa Mindanao, and even expanding na tayo sa planning to expand in Visayas, magkaroon talaga ng insurance as low as 15 pesos. Kasi, as I mentioned a while back, it is expressing self-love, expressing love to our family, to our community, and to our properties. Kaya, magkaroon lang kahit isa lang na insurance aside from himsog and aside from mortuary. Isa lang, pangatlo na yun. So, isang masasabi ko talaga, Sir Ken, na ito ay isang
an act of love.
Yes. Ito talaga ay God's perfect timing na magkaroon tayo ng ganitong talakayan. With that, do not forget our beloved members, our valued members, and soon to be members of Tagum Cooperative. Do not forget to like and follow our official Facebook page, yung Tagum Cooperative, para sa information and updates sa Tagum Cooperative. Saan na ba tayo ngayon? Lalo na tayong nag-expand, no? So with that, thank you also Sir Eugene, ating expert na marketing officer. Thank you for today's experience. Back to you, Sir Ken.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Dean. Ayan, we are so delighted na andito si Ma'am Dean kasi napakaganda talaga. Once na andito si Ma'am Dean, napakaganda ng session natin. And of course, mapapakinggan po natin ulit ang ating marketing officer for his parting words. Mga pa-shoutout dyan kung sino man yung mga bukal sa kalooban, kung sino man yung malapit sa kalooban, sa puso. Ayun. Go ahead, Sir Eugene.
Sir Ken, thank you so much po for having me here. This is my great pleasure po na dumalo po sa ating insurance literacy. And of course, to be part of this program. Thank you so much, Ma'am Geraldine, our ever beautiful, young, and glowing chairperson in Ethics Committee. And sa lahat po ng ating mga taga-subaybay, members ni Tagum Cooperative, followers at lahat po ng mga tao kung saan man po kayo nakakapanood ngayon, please like, heart, and share this program, Insurance Literacy, and don't forget to follow Tagum Cooperative.
Ayan, isang malaking salamat po para sa ating mga inimbitahan ngayon ng mga panauhin. It's our privilege na makipag-usap, makipagtalakayan para sa ating napakagandang topic, Insurance Literacy Program. Sa mga nandyan pa po sa ating live stream, again, please don't forget to share this live stream para mas marami pa po ang makarinig ng ating balita. Marami pa po tayong matulungan sa ating kooperatiba.
Yes.
And don't forget to follow our official Facebook page. Hit the follow button or like button para updated po kayo sa mga activities, mga latest developments ng ating kooperatiba, kung ano ba yung mga proyekto na ginagawa natin, binibigay natin para sa ating komunidad. And once and for all, ako po ang inyong lingkod, it's Kuya Ken. Sa susunod po na ating programa, samahan niyo po kami. Same na date, same na panahon, dito lamang po sa ating programa, ang Tagum Cooperative, tubag sa panginahanglan, giya sa kauswagan. Kasama po natin ang ating chairperson sa Ethics Committee, Ma'am Geraldine B. Canlas. Kaway-kaway dyan, ma'am. Ayan, very beautiful. And of course, ang ating marketing officer, Sir Eugene Balili. Kaway-kaway dyan, sir. Ayan. Daghang salamat og dalaygon ang Diyos.
With proper diet and exercise.
United Home.
Unilab yan.
Iron is the generic name of United Home for sulfate iron. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Sa katatapos lang na 2023 𝗶-𝗶𝗃 Radio Survey, muling namayagpag ang RMN bilang nangunguna, respetado at mapagkakatiwalaang radio network sa Pilipinas. Number 1, RMN 𝗶𝗃𝗃𝗃 639 sa Coronadal. Aming taus-pusong pasasalamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta mula sa RMN Number 1. Ito ang 𝗶𝗃𝗃𝗃 639 sa Coronadal. Basta balita at serbisyo publiko. Tatak RMN.
Oras tatak, alas 7:05.
RMN.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world class quality.
ACS.
Ang masunod nga programa nga inyong mabatian